How to hide who you follow on X Twitter. So all you have to do is just go to your Twitter, and as you can see in here, once you're in here, just go to settings, or what I mean, just go to your profile and go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're in here, you could go to your privacy and safety. Just click that. Now, once you're in here, you could go to audience and tagging. Now, once you're in here, this is how you protect your posts or to hide. So just click those, protect your posts or protect your videos. And that is how you hide. And there's an option in here like photo tagging. This is also a optional. So this is also a benefit if you want to hide something. So anyone can tag you. So you can turn it off so no one will tag you. And as you can see, if you check this both, it will protect your posts and it will protect your videos. And if you click that, they wouldn't see your posts or your videos. So just as you can see, just go to audience and tagging, and if we search any also, this is a optional this is a optional this is a optional choice. You could also block the account so that they won't see your platform, and also you could also mute accounts. So as you can see, but um this is not where you have to block them or mute them. That is in another video, and that's it.